Welcome back, guys. So I have an unboxing for the new Kayali perfume, which is the Yum Pistachio. Again, this is a blind purchase. This is going to be my third purchase from the actual website, which is Huda Beauty. That's where I bought the perfume from. I bought it yesterday, which was the 21st, and today's the 22nd, just delivered. So it's like overnight shipping. So I bought in the past, sorry, I've bought burning cherry, vanilla royal, and I bought the yum pistachio. All three of them were blind purchases, and out of the first two, which is burning cherry and royal vanilla, I still have. I can't finish it yet because this has like a strong smell to like a oud smell, and most likely with my body chemistry is not giving the smell that I would want, but we'll just have to do it. But I've done a second purchase, which is to buy another one of the burning cherry. Sorry, I did like that fragrance, so I've bought it again to say, okay, am I definitely committed to this to upgrade to buy a bigger bottle? So again, I've bought two 10 ml bottles in the Yum Pistachio and again in the burning cherry. And when I'm looking on the website now, I see that they actually offer £3 samples. So like if I knew that they had the £3 samples, which is like, you know, those little spray bottles that you'd go to like perfume counters and you'd get it, or any perfume sample place you'd get one of those. I was like, if I knew that that's what they had, then I wouldn't have bought even the big 10 ml bottle. I just actually bought the small one so I can actually try that. So I think in the future that's what I'll do, but it just has to be if the shipping is even worth it, because the shipping for this is £3. No, it was actually free because I bought two items and the shipping was free. Most likely this is delivery note or the order receipt, whatever it is. So here are the two fragrances. Can always utilize the box again. So we're gonna unwrap. Wrapping paper I can keep for something else. Classic, it comes in this, the protector. So let us see what it is. So they've given me a sample, a Wishful Yo Detox, a face and body enzyme scrub. A bit bright. That's what we get when we have natural light. I don't think I'd actually use this, but thank you for the sample. I think that was selected at, I don't think I actually selected, I think it was just thrown in. I did say notice there about you guys sample, but I wasn't really taking notice of it, but that's it. So again, look back at previous videos, I've done an unboxing on this fragrance. So now we're gonna do the Yum Pistachio, and the keynotes I'm gonna read from my phone because I can see that it's like really bright. Let me see if I can just adjust this. Okay, looks a bit better. I'm adjusting stuff while I'm here. So the notes on the back of the package is pistachio gelato, hazelnut, sweet rum. I think sweet rum is in the vanilla royal, or it might be golden rum, one out of the two. Whipped cream, marshmallow, cotton candy. Again, I love those fragrances that has that sweet smell. So like burning cherry. So I bought burning cherry. I used to have Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. I have Baccarat Rouge 540. Like those kind of scents I love. And Curve perfume. Let me just show you the Curve perfume I'm talking about quickly. So this is the Curve perfume. This is what I wear around the house. Like if I'm just in the house, this is what I'd wear. Or if I'm just gonna run to the supermarket or something, this is like my casual fragrance. So let's open. Okay. So again, it's packaged up nice. Still bright. Jesus. I'm not quite sure. We have natural light and I still complain that it's too bright. But yeah, let me just move these so everything is focused on this. So this is like a mint green packaging with white borders and everything. Again, it seems to follow the same concept of all the other boxes. So it has that gritty feel. Yeah, so the green bit has that little, it's like embossed with a pattern, and it has the spikes that's like an upside down crown. The same with the Love Fest burning cherry as well. I was already opened it. Ooh, I'm gonna cut off my hand. So with this one, it doesn't say, well, it just says it's 10 ml. It has the ingredients on the side, the notes at the back, what it pairs with. So this one, the pistachio gelato, sorry, it will pair with a coconut vanilla. Sorry, I'm reading it and I'm reading it backwards. Vanilla cocoa is what it would pair with, and also it will pair good with juicy apple. Sorry. And white flower. Those are the fragrances she has that clearly goes along with it. And what I've noticed, so on the Love Fest burning cherry, it doesn't have this. There's a diamond that says intense, but this one says intense. I'm not sure what the difference is, but let's sniff now. Or let's look at the actual packaging inside. Into card as normal. So this is what it looks like. Again, the liquid as well, I don't know if you can see it, it's a light green as well, whereas, and it all follows the same packaging, and it will be the same with this one, as you can see at the back of the burning cherry. So let's just see. Feels really good still. The cover is good, has the same consistency, or sort of. This one feels much stiffer, and I don't know if anybody else's perfume has this as well. I don't know, all of a sudden, like, it's just cloudy up in the cap for my Vanilla Royale. I'm not sure what that is, if it's condensation or something, but yeah, it doesn't bother me. Well, yeah. So yeah, this is what the fragrance looks like on the package. So let's just do a smell check. Okay. It smells good, and I was waiting this while for it to draw down. It has like a, to me, it has like a rubbing alcohol smell. When I just sprayed it, some went into my hand and some in my palm, and I can see here it has like a gloss, not gloss, what's this? Like a little shimmer to it. I don't think there's any shimmer in there, but that's fine. It has like a, as I said, it has like an alcohol smell. It smells sweet though, and it has like I think it might be the rum, because it has this underlying smell, the same as the Vanilla Royale, which is that oud smell. It smells good though, not as good as the burning cherry. I'm definitely in love with the burning cherry. The Vanilla Royale, not too much. I'm just praying to finish it quickly so I can just get rid of it. Well, get rid of the bottle. But so far, I was saying this smells really good. I'm not upset with my blind purchase with this one, but as I said before, I didn't realize that you could actually pay £3 for a smaller sample instead of committing to a size this big. And to be fair, I bought this when it came out, and this came out in November 2022, I think, or around sometime in 2022 it came out. And to say this is 10 ml and it's 3/4 down, nearly finished, but it's taking me this long to finish it. Like the burning cherry, I was just running through it like nobody's business. It was the same with my Tom Ford as well, my Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I had the 50 ml, and as I was going to the 50 ml too quick, I had to buy like the 100 ml, Again, I was going through that like within a few months. But yeah, a little time has passed. And yeah, it still smells good. As I said, it just has an underlying smell that, which I assume is the rum smell. But it smells really good though. It smells like something else, but I don't know what exactly. I can't pinpoint what it smells like. It smells like something that I've worn before. But what is it? It might even be an underlying scent as well in the burning cherry. I don't know. I don't think the two of them is the same. Are these two the same number? Oh no, this is 64, this is 33, and this one is 48. But yeah, that's my unboxing and review of the Kayali's new Yum Pistachio perfume. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye.